Hi everyone, this is Dr. Divya, periodontist, your friendly gum dentist at Pearl Dental Clinic. A perfect smile does not only depend on having healthy, pearly white teeth. Gums frame the teeth, therefore their appearance is an essential component to a beautiful, aesthetically pleasing smile. Gum depigmentation is a simple, pain-free cosmetic procedure to remove the pigments from your gum and to create a beautiful pink look. The excess melanin in the gums or the long-term use of some medication can cause a dark spot or discoloration of the gums. There are treatments available which can help you to improve the appearance of your gums. The principal guideline indicates that the gums should be healthy and that will be analyzed during the consultation. This cosmetic treatment is not suitable for patients who have oral disease, patients with dark gums due to gum disease, patients who are taking blood thinners, patients with a thin gum tissue or protruding tooth. In this procedure, the laser produces a heat that vaporizes and removes the top thin layer of the gum tissue and destroys the melanin-producing cell. As a new tissue grows during healing, it tends to be pink rather than brown. Treatment may require the use of local anesthetic and has a shorter recovery period with minimum discomfort. Sometimes, depending upon the color and the depth of the dark spot, it may require several sessions to achieve the desired degree of brightness. If your gums have led you to feel insecure about your smile, then gum depigmentation treatment may be right for you. We can create a right treatment plan which can bring you one step closer to achieving more beautiful, confident smile. What are you waiting for? Contact us today at Pearl Dental Clinic to get started with your laser removal gum pigmentation.